Hello children, welcome to my maths class starting from grade 6 to 11. As you know, you overcome a big hurdle in your life. That's your scholarship exam. Again, you have to take a challenge in your life. That's your O-level exam. So join with me. You can overcome all your difficulties in maths. Maths is not hard. It is a really easy subject and it's fun. If you are good at maths, you can succeed in any field. So stay with me. I'll teach you all the basic concepts related to maths. So the first lesson in your textbook is circles. So in this lesson, we'll identify items which have the circular shape and circular designs using items which have the circular shapes. What is the name of this figure? You already know that. That's a circle. So we can write the name of this figure is a circle. Write several objects you know having a circular shape. What are the shapes? What about this one? We all have this with us, coins. So coins are circular shape. Then what about this one? This is a CD, compact disc. What about this? You like to eat yogurt, so this is circular shape. Yogurt cup. Glass, so you get circular shape. You can write glass. What else? Yeah. Plate. What about this one? These are tea strainers. So here when you take this one is a circular shape. What about when you go to the carnival, what you see? Going round and round. Ferris wheel. When you take vehicles, tire of the vehicle. Girls, what about this? You need this later. Makeup powder puff. So you can write makeup powder puff. Then in the kitchen, have you seen sieve? So all these are circular shapes. So every day you see circular shape figures and solids. Now we'll see how we can draw circles. So you need to know how to do it properly. So draw 3 circles with the help of a 2 rupee coin. So you know you get 2 types of 2 rupee coin, the smaller one and the bigger one. So I'll take the bigger one and show you how to draw it properly. So what you do, you keep it on your paper and then you hold it with your finger in the middle and then you draw it properly. So here you can start from one end like this, go round and round, but you have to hold it tight. So that's how we draw a proper circle. So we'll draw 3 circles. So keep it here and you can draw round and round, but make sure that you hold it properly. Another circle. So hold it with a finger and draw around it so that you get a nice circle. So here we drew 3 circles with the 2 rupee coin. Now we'll take the next one. Draw a circle using a compact disc. So that's easy because it's a big one. So here you get a small circle in the middle as well as outer circle. So we'll draw the outer circle. So keep it here and then you hold it with your finger in the middle and then you draw it round. So that's how you draw it properly. See how you draw the circle. Then what we have to do? Draw a circle using a bottle top. So we'll take a bottle top, keep it here, hold it tightly in the middle and then draw round the circle. So you get nice circles. What about the other one? Draw 3 circles using a 5 rupee coin. That's a small one. So this is 5 rupee coin. So we'll keep it here and try to draw it. Hold it in the middle and draw it around the circle. Here. We'll draw another one. 2 circles. You need 3 circles. So we'll take it and draw it again. So round and round. So you better to take a sharpened pencil to draw circles. Another one. Here. Now we'll see another 2 circles using a small glass. So I have not a very small one. I'll try to draw this circle. So keep it here on top of your paper and hold it with a finger and make sure that you draw the circle with one try. So we'll start from here and then go round and round. Here. So how many circles you need to draw? 2 circles. So here again we'll try again. Keep it tightly, hold it with a finger and then we'll start from here and with one try you have to complete the full circle. If you can't do it, then take another try. So we did glass. Now we need to draw 2 circles using carom disc. So that's a small one. Small circle, we'll try to draw this. So how many circles you need? 2 circles. So keep it and hold this with a finger and then try to draw it properly. So with one try, like this. We'll take another one, hold it tight in the middle and then draw it round. With one try. Sometimes it's difficult when you have Bigger ones, it's difficult to go around with one try. Now what's the next one? So by using various items to draw circles, do the sizes of the circles differ or not? Look at carefully. What do you think about the sizes? Those are not the same. So we can write differ or not. Sizes are different. This is an activity for you. I did with 2 rupee coin. Now you have to do 4 circles using 1 rupee coin. So again, you get 2 types of coins. A smaller 1 rupee coin and a bigger one. So you can try with both. So try to draw 4 circles using 1 rupee coin. So take it, keep on your paper, hold it tightly and try to draw the circle with one try. Now we'll look at this one. Draw a small circle using a small glass on a piece of paper. Cut a long margin with a pair of scissors. So take colored paper and cut a circle like this. So this is the circle. And then fold the above circle right into 2 and draw a broken line along this fold. So you have to take the circle, so fold it into 2 parts like this. And then what you have to do? You have to draw a broken line like this. Then what's the next step? You have to fold the circle right into 2 other directions. So again, another way like this, fold it and you can again take it here and fold it again like this. Then what you do? When you draw the lines, you get something like this. So after you fold it, when you draw broken lines, you get something like this. So all the broken lines meet at a point. Do you agree with that? When you take all these broken lines, what is this point? This is the point of intersection. So what is the name given to this point? This is not in your syllabus, but I'll teach you because it's a small word. So try it now. We call it center of the circle. So how we write center? C-E-N-T-R-E. This is British way we are writing. E-R also okay, that's American way. So we got used to write center, C-E-N-T-R-E, center of the circle. So that's the intersecting point. Look at this circle. Write the distance from center O to the point P. So how can we measure? You can take the ruler. Take the ruler and we need to measure OP length. So keep the 0 point on the center point and then you can keep it like this and measure the length. So what's the length from here to here? I get 4 centimeters. So this is OP distance is 4 centimeters. Now write the distance from the center to the point Q. So we'll take the ruler and here we'll rotate and see. And you have to keep it here on top of the center and measure. So that's also 4 centimeters. Write the distance from the center O to the point R. R is here. So I'll rotate this. I'll take this. I have to take this way because starting from 0. So I'll keep it here and then rotate it. So here, this distance, that's also 4 centimeters. Write the distance from the center O to the point S. So we'll take any point S here. I'll take S here. Now we'll try to measure. So I'll first keep this 0 point on the center and measure this distance. That's also 4 centimeters. So we can see all these lengths are equal. So OP, OQ, OR, OS, all these lengths are equal. That's 4 centimeters. Each of these distances is known by the name. What you call that? This is not in your syllabus, but it's good to know all these terms. So we call that's the radius. Radius of a circle. A circle has many radii, all are equal in length. So when you take all these radius, we call the plural term radii. So all these radii are equal in length. Look at this one. You get 3 circles. What's the center? Center is O point. So what are the radii? OA. That's the small circle. What about OB? That's the inner circle, the other circle. And OC is the radius of the outer circle. Measure the length of these radii. So we'll take the ruler and try to measure all these. So we can keep 0 point on top of this center point. And we get OA is 2.7 centimeters. Then you can measure here to here now. What's that? 4.4. 4.4 centimeters for OB. What about OC? From here to here, you get 5.9. 5.9 centimeters, that's OC. So what can you say about these values? All are different. So center and the radius of a circle is not in your grade 6 new syllabus, but it is good to know. So here we can see when you take different size of circles, the radius values are different. So radii are different values. Look at this circle. Is the point X inside or outside the circle? So here this is the circle. It's inside. So we call this area is inside. Out of that we call outside the circle. So the point X is inside the circle. Where is the point Y situated? That's on the circle. We call it, it's on the circle. Where is the point Z? That's outside the circle. So now you know how to identify whether any point is inside or outside or on the circle. Look at this circle. Write the points situated inside the circle. What are the points inside? We get A, P, Q. Those are inside. Write the points situated on the circle. On the circle you get Y, Z and X. Write the points situated outside the circle. What are the points outside? K, L, M. K, L, M. Those are the points outside the circle. Mark points A, B, C inside the circle. So this is the circle. You have to mark 3 points inside. A, B, C. Mark points P, Q, R is outside the circle. So outside you can put P, Q, R, S. Mark points K, L, M on the circle. So you can mark on the circle K, L, M. 3 points on the circle. Using a ruler, mark 6 points 6 centimeter away from point O. So we'll take this is point O and we'll measure 6 centimeter length. So from here we can mark 6 centimeter length. So I'll keep a dot here, 6. Mark 10 other points 6 centimeter away from point O. So I can rotate this, but center is the same. I can mark another 6 centimeter. Again rotate. Centimeter here. Again, you can rotate this and mark 6 centimeter away here. Again, rotate this and keep the center point and the 0 point together and mark 6 centimeter away from that. So likewise, mark more points, first 10 more points and then we'll increase the number of points further. So another point here, 6 centimeters away. Another point here, 6 centimeters away. Make sure that you keep the center and the O point together and then another point. So likewise, when you mark more points, likewise manner, increase the number of points still further, what you get. So we are drawing now more points. We are drawing more points here. What you get? Now increasing again. So I'm drawing more points in between. I'll draw it here also. More points. What can I see? Huh? Just observe when you draw the more points in between, you see a special shape. What's that shape? Okay, so last one, we'll take this one. So what you see? So what is the shape you're getting? So you get a circle. So this is the center point. So what is the shape? You get a circle. Considering O to be the center. So this is O is the center. What is the diagram? Obtain all such points equal distance from O are joined. So what's the name here to here? We use that word radius. So equal distance when you mark points around one fixed point, you get a circle. So this is a circle. So what you call this point in the middle? That's the center of the circle. What about the shape? Shape is a circle. And what you call this distance from the center to the circle? We call it as radius. So you learned 3 words. The shape is a circle. The center point is the center of the circle. And the equal distance from center to the circle is called radius. Draw 2 circles on a straight line AB using a 5 rupee coin. So what you can do, take 5 rupee coin, keep on top of this line and draw the circle. So you need 2 circles. So I use this tool to draw circles, but you have to use 5 rupee coin. So I'll draw circles like this. So imagine my 5 rupee coin is like this, and I can draw 2 circles. So I'll take another copy and keep it here. So these are the 2 circles. I'll keep it here and here on AB line. So you can use 5 rupee coin to draw circles like this. With the help of 2 rupee coin, draw several circles to make a design. Color these in various shades. So think about, this is the 2 rupee coin and you can take how many circles? Several circles. So I'll take 3 and try to make a design. So I'll keep one here and I'll take another one and I'll Keep it like this. And I'll take another one and keep it like this. So you get a design like this. Now we'll try to color that. So I'll use colors in rainbow. So one fairy came in violet and one wore indigo. I'll take this color, indigo, in blue, green, yellow, orange, red. So these are the rainbow colors. So all 7 colors are there. So you can use any shade to color it. With the help of a 2 rupee coin, draw a different design and color this. So take a 2 rupee coin and you can create another design. So I'll take something like this. Something like this, and we'll try to color this one. So I used, how many circles I used? I used 4 circles here. So I can shade it. I'll use different colors now. I'll use this one, green color, and another green color here and here. And I'll make it in the middle light colors, purple, something like this, and something like this, a design. You can create your own design and color it. Using a larger 1 rupee coin, draw a design and color it. So we'll take 1 rupee coin. So this is my 1 rupee coin. We'll try to make a design now. So I can I'll make it smaller. I'll do smaller 1 rupee coin and the big 1 rupee coin. Something like this. And now I'll try to color that. So different colors you can use. And I'll put red color in the middle. So something like that, you can create your own design. In the diagram shown above, shade the area common to both circles. So this is one circle. There's another circle overlaps with the first circle. So which area is common for both? That's B area. So shade it with a color. So I can shade like this. So that's the area common to both the circles. Shade the circle shown in this diagram. So you get a rectangle shape and a circle. So they are asking just to color the circle part. So that's the circle. In this diagram, shade the remaining area inside the rectangle, leaving out the circle. So not the circle and outside the circle, but inside the rectangle. So which area? This area. So we'll try to color that. So I'll use red color to color this. So that's the area outside the circle and inside the rectangle. Look at this diagram. How many circles are there in this diagram? So I see 1, 2, 3. 3 circles are there. So I'll write 3 circles are there. Write the letters pertaining to the shaded areas. So these are the shaded ones. A and B is not shaded. C and E. Those are shaded. Write the letters pertaining to the unshaded area. Unshaded parts are B, D. Those are unshaded parts. As well as I can write F also. F is not shaded. How many equal parts is this circle divided? So here, this is the circle divided into how many parts? 2 equal parts. How many parts are shaded? Out of 2, 1 part is shaded. Look at this circle. Now, how many equal parts in this circle are divided? So, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 equal parts are there. And how many parts are shaded? Just 1 part shaded. So, 1 part shaded. Now look at this one. How many equal parts is this circle divided? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 equal parts. How many parts are shaded? Only 1 part shaded. So you can write 1 part shaded. Look at this one. How many equal parts is this circle divided? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 parts are there. So 8. How many parts are shaded? 1, 2. 2 parts are shaded. Look at this one. Write the numbers inside the circle. Inside the circle is this. So what are the numbers there? 1, 3 twice written, 7, 9. So you don't need to write 3 again. So 1, 3, 7, 9. Write the numbers inside the rectangle but outside the circle. Inside the rectangle but outside the circle. These numbers 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Look at this diagram. In this diagram, shade the areas common to all three circles. Write the relevant letters. 1, 2, 3. So this region is a common region. So this part is the common region. So what's the letter? Relevant letter is E. That's E. How many circles are there in this diagram? So we can circle it and see. We'll count. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So how many circles are there? There are 6 circles in this diagram. How many circles are there in this diagram? So we can start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So there are 10 circles. How many circles are there in this diagram? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So altogether 5 circles are there in this diagram. Shade all 4 circles in this diagram. So there are 4 circles. We'll shade it. This one. I'll use different colors. This is another circle. This is another circle. And this is the other one. So 4 circles are there. How many half circles are there in this diagram? Half circles. So we'll try to draw it and see. So this is 1 half. 1. This is another one. 2. 3. And this one is 4. So you get 4 half circles in this diagram. Now look at this one. This is in your textbook. So here can you see there's a purple color circular shaped card is there and several shapes. CD disc. What about this one? Clock. A drum is there and a tin. Biscuit tin. So those are circular shapes, figures. Exercise 1.1. From the following items, select and write down the ones in which the circular shape can be observed. Mathematics textbook? That's not circular, that's a rectangle. Drum? Yes, you get a circular shape in drum. Cricket bat? That's not circular, that's like oval shape here in the corner. So that's like here, not a circular shape, oval shape. Sieve? In the kitchen you get sieve, that's a circular shape figure. Winnowing fan? So winnowing fan also, it's a circular figure. Wheel of vehicle, yes, that's circular. Steering wheel of a car, that's a circular one. Teaspoon, that's like oval shape, so something like this, so not circular. Pot, so when you take the mouth of the pot, so something like this, yeah, some pots, yes, this mouth of the pot is circular shape. Exercise 1.2. From the following collection of items given below, select the ones that can be used to draw circles and write down the corresponding numbers. With the bottle, yes, we can draw circle. Here, this nut, but if you take outside, you can't, but you can draw circles with the inside this circle. So, you can draw circles with the inside part. This one, cone, yes, you can draw. Eraser you can't do. Drum, yes, this is a circular shape figure. And this is a prism. You can't draw circles from that. So you can. Here you can with the inside, not with the outside. Here these three shapes you can draw circular shapes. From the figure shown below, select those which are circles and write down the corresponding numbers. This is like oval shape, not circle. Here, this is a small circle. This is a circle and this one is a circle. All the others are not circles. This is half of a circle. In this figure, which letters indicate positions inside the circle? So look at carefully and write down the points inside the circle. You get O, A and point P inside the circle. Which letters indicate positions on the circle? On the circle. E, L, B, X, E, L, B, X on the circle. Which letters indicate positions outside the circle? What are the points outside? Just K. K is outside the circle. In a competition of throwing darts onto a circular board by standing at a location in front of it, 10 points are awarded if the dart hits the circle. So that means on the circle, you get 10 marks. And 5 points are awarded if the dart hits inside of the circle, but no points are awarded if the dart hits outside of the circle. So, how you get marks? 10 points awarded when you hit on the circle and 5 points for inside and no marks given for outside points. Now, look at this one. Who are the students who were awarded 10 points? 10 points given if it's on the circle. So, Sanjeeva. Sanjeeva. Then who else? Mohan. So, Sanjeeva and Mohan get 10 marks. Who are the students who were awarded 5 points? That means inside the circle. Sunil, Nafeel and Pradeep. So they get 5 points each. Who are the students who did not receive any points? Rajita didn't get any points. If each of these students is given 2 more opportunities to throw darts, what is the maximum number of points that Mohan could receive in total? So Mohan now gets 10 marks. So already 10 marks. So again giving another 2 opportunities. So what's the maximum number? So another 10 and 10. So altogether 30 marks he can get. Each of the students given 2 more opportunities to throw darts. What is the maximum number of points that Mohan could receive in total? So if he can get another 2 tens, so the maximum is 30 marks. Look at these designs. 3 circular designs created using circles are shown below. Such designs can frequently be seen on clothing materials, festival decorations, and in religious places. So how many circles used to draw this one? How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 circles used to draw this one. What about this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 circles used to draw this one. So how many circles here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 circles. So you can create different designs using circles. Now we'll see to create another design. So I'll take these circles and try to create a design. So how many circles are there? Something like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 circles. You can create a different pattern. Look at this one. We'll see how many circles I used to create this one. So we'll see, we'll count and see. You get a small circle here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 circles. Using 5 circles, you can create that design. We'll take another one. We'll count afterwards how many circles I'm using to create this one. What do you think I'm trying to do? What's the shape? What do you think? That's my tree. I'll put it here. So these are the branches. So my circle tree. So you can create different designs using circles. We'll try to create another design. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. I'm trying to create a symmetric pattern with circles. So you can create your own design. Count how many circles I'm using. See, you can create beautiful designs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 circles I used to create this design. So in this lesson, we looked at all types of circular shapes And now you know how to draw a circle properly and how you create beautiful designs using circles.